Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by denying them the position. Plan a wide base and sink your hips so you can't be rolled or scooped. Use forearm frames at their neck and on the hips to force space. That space buys you time to move. Once you have frames, shift weight and angle away from their mount line so you're not directly under their center. Make small, deliberate movements rather than flailing. This keeps your base stable while you prepare the next escape. You now combine hip escape mechanics with trapping. First, shrimp. Push the knee across while framing to make space to slip a leg through and recover guard. If they post a hand, connect your elbow to your knee to build leverage and pull the leg free. That connection prevents them from re-establishing mount. When you bridge, do it explosively and immediately trap a limb so their weight tips. Timing is critical, so bridge only when they're balanced. You finish by either recovering guard or performing a technical stand. Once a leg is free, work to re-establish hooks or hip out to stand safely. Make sure to stabilize your frames and control their sleeves or collar so they can't immediately punish your movement. If you can't create space, don't panic. Slow your breathing, tighten frames, and re-attempt the shrimp step sequence. Troubleshooting tip: if you keep getting flattened, reset earlier. Regain frames before trying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.